Achu Manipuli PM Modi na IDP Pingli Sampangra. Lupa Crore Tingshini Lang the way Foundation Stone Shunmira. Crore Tingha Lang the way Projects Targat Kamira. BM Modi Kung Gaklat Malay Manada, State Congress Katana na Hanghaira. Amuko Nala Ningyang Makung Pongshokhaira. CP Radhakrishnan na India wi Trada Gapanga Vice President Ngapam Kuihair. Leikyang Athor Tangkhul Express Pvt Pau Rinmichon Khamsak in Apamidale. Pauping may sign ang nang rumsa. 2023 to short chok highway tili Karesa da Prime Minister Narendra Modi Achu Manipur Ungsangra. Modi Kung Hili Lubagro Tingshini Lang the way Foundation Stones Ungshun Mira Kala Grower Tingka Lang the way Developmental Projects Target Kamira. Chief Secretary Bunit Kumar Kwel Nakahang, Prime Minister na Rimetui da Jurachanpuli Ngatorpung Trada Kamakhaili, Internally Displaced Persons, ITB Pingli Sampangra, Jurachanpuri Peace Groundly Major Infrastructural Projects Ngatate da with Foundation Stones Shunmira, Kala Yari Gazibli Atresara. Mushun Pungkani Shikali, Modina Ganglai Infali, ITB Pingli Sampangra, Semkup Kahai Project Ping Targat Kamira, Chilila Yarili Matuira. Foundation Stone Shungi Kichi Project Pingji, Lupa 7,344 crore kayeji. Jili Manipur Urban Roads Drainage and Asset Management Improvement Project Aman 3,647 crore ka dawizanga. Manipur Infotech Development MINT Project Infrastructure Set in Soda Imphali Mikhavai Kala State Abam Ngadate Tali Skilling and Employment Generation Wuivang Lupa 550 crore kada wizanga. State Abam Chikoli Working Women Hostel Mikhavai Lupa 142 crore project Remote Kala Hill Districts Super Speciality Kala Assured Specialty Healthcare Wuivang Lupa 105 crore, Bolo Crown Pamli Infrastructure Kwira Khavai Lupa 30 crore, Manipur wi High Schools Kala Higher Secondary School Shakhamaga Mathaming Sakhavai Lupa 134 crore project, Power Substations Kanili Crete Connected SPF Power Plant Semkhavai Kala 5 MWAC Floating SPV Power Plant Wuivang Lupa 33 crore project, Rural Connectivity, Education, Kala, Tourism ni Khangsun Project Lupa, 102 crore money Foundation Stone la Shunraji. Kuman Lampak Sports Complex li Multi-Purpose Indoor Stadium Semkhavai, Lupa 36 crore project, National Highway 102A, Shangshak to Technobal Section Upgradation Wuivang, Package 1 wi Lupa, 502 crore, National Highway 102A, Shangshak to Technobal Section Upgradation Package 3 wi, 778 crore. Bharat Mala Baryochana Package 5, Azingli, National Highway 202 wi, Joy Thurdu Mariam Kolan Section 2 Laning Wuivang, Lupa 564 crore. Bharat Mala Baryochana Package 6 Azingli, Mariam Kulendo Jasami Section 2 Laning Wuivang, 555 crore, Bharat Mala Baryochana Package 7 Azingli, Jasami to Lanin Bridge Section 2 Laning 165 crore Manena, Sakhavai Hibingwila Foundation Shunmira Dahanga. Prime Minister Kung Hili Lupa 1,203 crore Manui Projects Target Kara. Chipingchi, Dwarka, New Delhi, 164 crore Nakasem, Manipur Pawan, Salt Lake, Kolkata, 42 crore man, Manipur Pawan, Imphal River Phase 2 with 56 crore man, Western River Front, Imphal Lupa 24 crore man with Mall Road Phase 2, Mantri Bukrili Semkahai, 101 crore man, Police Headquarters Qatar, 114 crore with IT SEC Building 1, 538 crore man Civil Secretariat Hibinghi Targat Kara. Dengnobal Noni Balel Kala Moirangli Semgaka 24 crore man Ima Market Mati, Imphal Wesley 13 crore man Inakasem, Leishang Hidden Cultural and Heritage Park, College Fagatansi Mission Azingli, Lupa 13 crore man in Imphal West, Thawal Kala Kakchingwe Shorkar College Pangali, Infrastructure Kwikara. Dengnobal Noni Balel Kala Moirangli Semgaka 24 crore man Ima Market Mati, Imphal Westli 13 crore man eina kasem, Leishang Hidden Cultural and Heritage Park, College Fakatansi Mission Azingli Lupa 13 crore man eina Imphal West, Thobal Kala Kakchingwi Shorkar College, Pangali Infrastructure Kwikara, Noni Districtly Lupa 49 crore eina over Imphal to Chiripam National Highway 37 li, Irang Riverway 4-lane thong, Kamjong District Administration wuivang lupa 15 crore manwi infrastructure, Gakching District wi 12 crore administration infrastructure, Eklavya Model Residential School, Dokpa Village, Loktak Project Churachandpur District li 16 crore wi project, Ningthokong CHC Bishnupur lupa 7 crore manwi institutional building staff quarters, Churachandpur li 7 crore man Saikot CHC institutional building staff quarters kasem, Kala Chenims, Imphal 6 crore man eina Paramedical and Allied Sciences with hostel kasem hibinghe thargat kagi gichili zanga da hanga. Prime Minister Narendra Modi ungi gichi aming wuivangna. Kakhalat Malay Manada Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee President Kesham Mekhachandrana Phongshok haira. Manipurli Modi ungi gichi mere symbolic visit na jihaira. Jingri khawai wuivang kachanga shongbong mazang mana. Rehabilitation kala mashung wuivang kachanga shongbong khwikara maning mana jihaira. Mekhachandrana kahang Modi na kakhalat khalei phekar khwimirada Manipur wi mipingna jihansai. Ka visit hi amingina chithei khawai wuivang manada Mekhachandrana hanga. Stakeholder saikorali zanglaga khangasan leida chingri kahai kala mashun khwira khawai khawung sasasi kcha Modi wi visit hi kakhalat leirada Congress kathana china hanga. Jandraburam Bonusami Radhakrishnan India wi trada kaphanga Vice President ngapham khwihera. Aya Rashtrapati Bhavanli awituing shit khami angaran angye khwikada President Draupadi Murmu na oath of office administer samia. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, former Vice Presidents Chakdeep Dhankhar Kala, M. Venkaiah Naidu, former President Ramnath Kovind, Union Ministers Amit Shah, Rajnath Singh eina Nitin Gadkari Kala dignitaries kadebing oath taking ceremony jiliwazanga. Congress MP Lok Sabha Leader of the Opposition Rahul Gandhi Gujaratli lehauda swearing in ceremony jilimavatua. Rashtriya Swayam Sevak Sangli Tukla Kahai ang yung khalei Tamil Nadu veteran BJP Thana Zingum Hang Truktashini Radhakrishnan Vice Presidential Election je Khanmet Shamati Hangphangada Khaniena Kakana. Opposition India Bloc nominee former Supreme Court Judge B. Sudarshan Reddy na election jili Khanmet Shagathum Samphanga. Phungir headquarter li Tangkhul legal awareness angaran angye rungmi dale. Right to Fair Compensation and Transparency in Land Acquisition Act 2013 kala the National Food Security Act 2013 wi maramli hangchithera. One day legal awareness program ji guchang yui tarik trada shinithang Phungir headquarters li rungmira. Chili Alek Muiva Member Secretary MJS Manipur State Legal Services Authority Kala BA Phungrishung Additional Member Secretary MJS MASLSA Anina Resource Person Samira. Angran Angeji Manipur State Legal Services Authority Kala Committee on National Highway 102A affected villages under Phungir subdivision na Ngshikda Mukhokamina. Prime Minister Narendra Modi ungi gajili All Manipur United Clubs Organization Amukona welcome maksa Phongshokhaira. Modi ungi gajihi tharkat kaka kala foundation laying angran angye wuivang local body elections mangali political phekar khwikhavai kasana. Sanglak ainara gahai tuishwati wuivang maning manada Amukona makhamya Phongshokhaira. Amugo President Nanto Luwang na kahang Rod Kamara Chokahai Tili Prime Minister na ngalang da unsasi kcha Manipur miping na red carpet ina ngrokhwi sara. Kaga klat khalei yang sang khami maleilak state li zingum khani kachot kachang ina Jehoha wada Amugo President china hanga. Bung gashina kha mangki kchi Prime Minister we khong hina Manipur li kachangkhat chokta khalei we ina disconnect chitheya. Electoral ningrin we kasat khami ina Khong na kachichithaya da luwang na hangsanga. Nando luwang na kahang yarina Prime Minister we na kachihan ki khamalai rimana. Kacha dushot hiwi kapong solution wuivang PM na akachanga paikarma kui mirror tuwada amyuko gathana jin hangsanga. Prime Minister Narendra Modi unki gichiling sunda hoardings kala festoons thetka gahai gichigathana thotami hawada Shiv Sena Manipur Pradesh na makhamya phongshokhair. Jura Chanpuli PM Modi unki gichi wuivang hoardings hai gahai mi gichigathana thota khamilai hawada athumitungli kasaga action kui khami Manipur Shiv Sena na bohair. State President M Tombina party wi Babu Para officially kahang Watsakchi Prime Minister Mangli Maningla Manipur mipingni zai kharina Prime Minister ungi kichi internally displaced person pingni katom khawai kala chingring sa khawai na da tombina hanga Watsakchi gazang pingli machut khuida action khui khawai tombina central kala state forces le kasathair SC OPC pingli certificates mikshok regulates sakawai Manipur wi ayin presidential khamaya sampanghaira Manipuri scheduled caste kala other backward class communities li caste certificates mikashok regulate sakawai ayin gasemji Manipur Shorkarna 2024 li remay tweeta jithaya hitharan Chief Minister N Biren Singh na Kathan Shorkarna khuikhara ayin caste status claim sali makhamashung fraudulent cases khamkhawai kala caste certificates mikashok shombong sali ngachamtham kahai khura khawai kasanaji Manipuri communities shini SC kala communities mati OPC category zanga Manipuri education kala employment li reservation kahai SC sui 2% OPC sui 17% ST sui 31% ina haimi Manipur na khuikhara ayinchina caste certificate apply kasali procedure mathada zatkhavai certificates competent authorities na mishok khawai kala verify sakhavai scrutiny committees khalei makhamashungle penalties khami higatha maram zanga ING marangchang presidential assent samphanga gala ningmong kapai caste certificates li scrutiny committees na yangsang khawai caste certificate so moto verify sakhavai pangshap committee jilimia gala committee wi tuitak in a vira tuitak ji high court mangle challenge sapaira da hanga kha verification sata lelakha cancel sara gi tuitak matarang la khaina tangda kha certificate ji zatna sara gi lahanga latluida ajui khamadaya bauping achu manipuli PM Modi na IDP pingli samphangra lupa crore thingshini langdawi foundation stone shunmira crore thingkha langdawi projects tharkat kamira BM Modi khung kaklat malay manada State Congress kathana na hanghaira amyuko nala ningyang makhung phongshokhaira CP Radhakrishnan na India wi trada ga phanga Vice President ngapham khuihaira achu bawling janghaira bawngana da khlena thum saikorali ringpha kala khamaya zimi shong saseranu